Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy when I'm back again with another YouTube video. So it is currently Saturday, December 6th, 2025, 3:32 p.m. So I'm going to do the weekly trade breakdown. Going to break down what happened this week, the trade that I took, why I took it, and yeah, that's really it. So this week I took one trade on USDJPY, a 1 to 5. We made a little over $10,000, and I passed phase 1 of my funded account. Woo! Let's go. Sorry, okay, all right, let's go. Let's just go. All right, so let me break down why I took this trade. So coming to the market, I was looking to sell. Why am I looking to sell? Obviously, if we're going to weekly, price had a big push over a couple weeks, right? And we broke above this structure point. So now coming into, well, this was actually the move I was expecting last week as well. But I'm looking for the sell from this structure point down here because I'm still looking to buy on USD JPY. On a weekly, I'm looking to buy. But where would I be looking to buy from? This structure point. Okay, cool. To buy from this structure point, what would I need? I need a pullback here. So going out to the daily and the 4-hour, I'm looking for sell opportunities down to this structure point. Last week, I was looking for the sell. The setup presented itself. Took it, obviously up here. Got stopped out, and then price proceeded to go straight in my direction. Got 1 to 4 in that. We didn't make any money. We missed out. We missed that trade. So I was like, okay, cool. It is what it is, right? I followed my trade plan and did everything I was supposed to do. So I'm not mad about that. Like, I did what I was supposed to do. Coming to the market, price already had the push last week. Hey, let me go back. On a weekly, we made this bearish doji spinning top candlestick. So now I'm like, okay, cool. This week we can expect the push to have an evening star pattern. And just like it made the evening star pattern on weekly right here, daily made an evening star pattern. That's why I took the sell last week. But anyways, now that this week actually closed, actually I'm gonna talk about this at the end of the video. But yeah, so coming to the market, price already made the move that I'm expecting from up here. All I need now is a quick pullback to sell. That's it. So coming to the market on Monday, I was waiting for Monday's candlestick to give me that pullback here. Monday's candlestick opened up, had a massive push at downside here, and then closed back up here too. Tuesday candlestick had a pullback. Now, Tuesday candlestick gave me the interest signal I needed to take this trade, and I took the trade. Why did I take the trade? Price made a beautiful 4-hour order block. So price was trading back to this 4-hour order block. At the same time, price made a 1-hour order block within the 4-hour order block. Price sweat liquidity, pull back up here. I'm like, okay, cool. There's a 30-minute and a 15-minute order block within the 1-hour and the 4-hour order block. So it's just stacking on top of each other. The confluences are there for me to take a trade. Now, normally I would be looking here. I would be looking for price to make an order block on a 15-minute and look for a sell opportunity to sell. A shifter chart trade and an order block on 15-minute and to sell evening star pattern. But because I already have all those confluences, all those order blocks already within each other, within the same zone, right? Coming to market, all I needed was a shifter structure for me to take this trade. So 15-minute was still bullish, obviously right here. So to find a shifter structure, I went down to a 10-minute and to the 5 minutes because price was consolidation a lot. And 5-minute was bullish, bearish, and doing whatever. So I drew this zone up on a 5-minute. If price broke below this structure point on a 5-minute, then it would shift bearish on a 5-minute. As well as that, it would shift bearish on a 10-minute. So once price closed below this structure point, I would be looking to take a sell. But mostly I was looking at this on a 15-minute. So 15-minute, 5-minute, and 10-minute, price had to close below here. But the 15-minute candlestick was still active. So I was looking at it. Price made this doji candlestick, or rejection. So I'm like, okay, cool. I need price to close below this structure point. Whether that's on a 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute. I need it to close on below this structure point for me to take this trade. Obviously, price on the next candlestick closed below the structure point. So cool. What did I do? I did a sell limit back up here because now price made an order block on a 15-minute. Price could pull back to this order block and then push up from it. But I already got the confluences. I already got the interest group that I need. All I need to do now is take the trade. So I did a sell limit right here. I did 7 lots up here. So if price would come up here, it would tap me into the trade. I would be in the trade 7 lots. 7 lots at this entry was $1,000. So I was risking 1% on this trade. This was a good trade. I risked 1% on it. Price opened up. The hourly candlestick closed. The 7 o'clock opened up. Had to push the upside with this candlestick. As you can tell, it barely didn't tap my entry, and then price did close down here. And then as soon as this candlestick opened up, started pushing to the outside. Once this candlestick closed, I was like, okay, cool. Maybe, I guess price doesn't want to pull back to my sell limit. I'm just going to enter the trade right here. So I entered 7 lots on this. As soon as I enter 7 lots, price starts having the retracement and goes back to my initial entry, the sell limit. Now, I already took 7 lots on here, so I'm already in this trade $1,000. Price pulled back here, I could have canceled that setup and delete that. But I was like, hey, this is a good trade. The confluences are adding up. It makes sense for me to take this trade. So I doubled up on the risk. I just let that other 7 lots get hit. And so we did 14 lots on this trade. Put my stop loss at a good level. And that's it. That's literally it. Took the trade on Tuesday morning, held it Tuesday night. The spread fee, the swap fee was like $136. So I was like, okay, cool, whatever. That's a lot, but it is what it is. And then held it Wednesday morning. News dropped. It didn't really affect news a lot, but I had to push the downside. So I still held it. And then market closed on Wednesday night. The spread fee went from $136 to like $700. I'm like, whoa, okay, whatever. And then Wednesday night, before I was going to bed, it was having to pull back here. And I don't know what I was anticipating, but perhaps I was having to pull back here. But I still held the trade. I knew that, hey, this trade is I was okay with this, right? In my mind, I already made a choice. Price either going to take profit or hit stop loss, 1 or 2. I followed my trading plan, did everything I was supposed to do. Just gonna let the trade do its thing. Waking up Thursday morning, price was down here at this area. I was up slightly above 10,000 and I just closed the trade out, secured my profits for the week and passed phase 1 of my account. And then from there, obviously price did more shenanigans and now it's pushing up. So now I shifted bullish on a 4 hour. So yeah, really good trade. What I did right, I followed my trading plan. I was disciplined, showed up to the charts, was consistent with that, managed my risk correctly. I doubled my risk because I was confident in the setup, but I managed it correctly. And yeah, I just left it in God's hands, right? Proverbs 16:33, the lot is cast unto the lot, but it's every decision is of the Lord. So God's in control. So thank you, God, for this trade. Thank you for the opportunity to pass my phase 1 challenge. I'm grateful, very grateful. So that's the one trade I took this week. That was it. So we made 10%, 10,000 on this trade. EURUSD, I was looking for the pullback down here to the structural point to buy. Obviously, price did this shenanigan right here. And I guess we could have bought on this candlestick, on Tuesday's candlestick. But no entry signal was given to me, so didn't buy. It's all good, we had to move. Now this week, I can expect the pullback, continuation to the upside. GBPUSD, same thing as EURUSD. I was waiting for the pullback, which we did actually get the pullback, but I didn't get a good interest signal for me to take this trade. And price made a nice morning star pattern on the daily. So like beautiful price action. So literally this right here that I was looking for last week, I'm literally just gonna wait for it up here. That's literally it. USD CAD, I was waiting for the pullback here to sell. Price did give me the pullback, didn't give me an interest signal up here, so there was no reason for me. There was no interest signal for me to sell. And then price just didn't give me an interest signal after that, and then just sold. And then news dropped on Friday and just absolutely destroyed this area. Like let's go look at this. Like news dropped and just absolutely destroyed the zone. So yeah, I'm about to analyze and figure out what I'm looking for the charts to do next week. Probably still looking to sell, honestly. ADSD, same thing. NZDSD, I was waiting for the same thing on USD, GPSD, waiting for the pullback here to buy up. Price didn't give it to me, but pushed up. AD, USD, same thing. Price didn't pull back, but had to push up. And USD CHF, looking for the sell. Price did give me the pullback, didn't give me interest signal, sold, and then obviously bounced back up. So yeah, that was really it. Really good trading week. Learned a lot, grew a lot. Passed this on my challenge, and which was to make 10%. So now going into phase 2, all I have to do is make 5%. And I'm just gonna do what I've been doing, right? Staying focused, disciplined, consistent, following my trading plan, and that's it. Managing my risk and trusting God with the rest. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, let's go. Let's do this. Let's get ready for another great trading week. God bless you, and stay safe. Amen.